Your goals are too weak to save you. You don't need more motivation. You need a mission. Let's be honest, your goals aren't goals. They're suggestions, wish lists, daydreams. They don't scare you. They don't stretch you. They don't demand blood. And that's the real problem. You've never set a goal that actually forced you to change. You call it vision boarding. You call it manifestation. You call it alignment. But deep down, you know the truth. You're stalling. Because setting a real goal, one that threatens your comfort zone, that would require confrontation with your laziness, with your lies, with your real schedule, and you're not ready for that. So you keep pretending, journaling, planning, waiting. But what you're actually doing is escaping. Here's the reality. Your goals are too small, and your standards are even smaller. You don't need a 5-year plan. You need a 5-second decision. The kind that shifts your entire identity, because that's what goals really are. They're not tasks. They're transformations. They're not about what you do. They're about who you become. So let's strip it down. What do you really want? Not the filtered answer, not the version you tell people so you sound mature. What's the raw truth? What's the outcome that keeps haunting you? The one you don't talk about because if you say it out loud, you'll actually have to go after it. Yeah, that one. Write it down. Then ask yourself, who would I have to become to earn that? If your answer doesn't intimidate you, you picked the wrong goal. Here's the next problem. You don't fear failure because you've made it painless. When you skip a day, nothing happens. When you break a promise, no consequences. So your brain learns this. Quitting is safe. And once that belief takes root, even the strongest goals get hijacked by comfort. You scroll, you snack, you sleep, and then you lie to yourself and call it resetting. You don't need a reset. You need a reckoning. Audit your environment. What's pulling you away from your mission? What apps, what friends, what excuses, what stories in your head still whisper, it's okay to start over again next Monday? Burn them. This isn't therapy. This is war. Your dreams are on life support and you're too scared to unplug the comfort machine. But here's what you're forgetting. Every day you delay costs you more than you think. Time, confidence, belief. And the longer you wait, the more you start to believe the lie that it's too late. You want to change your life? Here's how. Pick a real goal, one that scares you. Make a brutal plan, not a pretty one. Attach pain to failure. Show up anyway. Repeat until the man in the mirror says finally. Forget motivation, forget feelings, forget approval. All that matters now is execution. You don't need a coach, you don't need another planner, you need a reason to get up early, a reason to fight fatigue, a reason to say no to distractions 1,000 times in a row. And that reason has to be stronger than your weakness, because weakness is always on time, always waiting, always whispering, you've done enough, take it easy, no one will know, but we know you know. And that knowing eats at you when the world gets quiet. So here's your command. Stop writing goals, start becoming one, let your life be the proof. Let your results be the voice. Let your execution be so loud that your excuses get drowned out. This is the moment, right now. No more waiting, no more hoping. You set the goal. Now become the man who never backs down from it. If this cracked something inside you, drop "fight on" in the comments. Replay it every time you want to quit. Send it to the version of you that's still hiding in comfort. Welcome to OLP 365. We don't scroll and we don't chase goals, we become them.